9.1 seconds? There is a brand new update out for Forza Motorsport 7, and it includes that. That is the Bugatti Chiron. There are a bunch of people in Twitch chat being like, there's no way this is real, there's no way this is real. It is 100% real, and this is what we are doing today. It's an absolute monster. 1,500 horsepower, 1,100 torque. I didn't actually know the torque was that low. The thing's heavy as shit. I wanted to try it today, see what we can do, see what the upgrades are like for this thing. We will drive this thing completely bone stock first, but I want to see what the upgrades are like just to begin with. Like, can we turn it into the Vision Sport? No. Oh, no, we can't. I mean, that would have been pretty cool, but PlayStation. Can we engine swap? No. We can make it rear-wheel drive, though. That's pretty cool. We can upgrade the oh, wait. So, the Bugatti Chiron is really powerful, and actually too powerful to race in its class. So, you can put a restrictor plate on to slow it down. Gives us 1,000 horsepower instead of 1,500. Oh, man, I am so excited. I was not expecting this today. Nick, how's the Canada driver gear going? I don't want to talk about it, bro. It sounds angry. Oh, it sounds so angry. Just look at it. Oh, we've been waiting for this forever. Sounds like a lawnmower. It sounds epic. It's like, I know it's a big, like, W16 with, like, a million turbos and stuff. But it's just cool. It does, like, a wheelie, too. It's just a mean car. That wing is epic as well.
Drag race it against the Koenigsegger Regera # Top Gear reference.
Might be able to do that. Might be able to. So the thing we have all been waiting for. What is the top speed of the Koenigsegger? Yep. You see, you all messed me up, man. Y'all messed me up. What is the top speed of the Bugatti Chiron up into 6th gear? We have 7 gears. Okay. Look at that. Look at the gauge cluster there. Looks so cool. All right, up into 7th gear. Up to 260 miles an hour. Isn't this one of the fastest cars in the world? 268. Come on. What's the fastest car in this game? 269. Oh, it's one off. 270 miles an hour. I mean, we can hit 270 miles an hour if we go this way. Here, let me hit 270. It should definitely be able to going down a hill. Where's the Performante? That's the next thing, boys. That's the next thing. I know the fastest car is the Jaguar D-Type, but how fast does it actually do? 267, 268. Come on. Come on, Chiron. 269. 269. Oh, I thought I'd be able to get 262. Jesus Christ. All right, well, 269 miles an hour. I think the fastest car is the Fast and Furious Plymouth. Oh, yeah. Fastest car does 278 miles an hour. So it's quite a bit slower than the fastest stuff in the game. And considering we can't actually tune the horsepower, I doubt it would be able to get any higher than that. I mean, we'll try. Whoa! We remove 1,200 pounds in weight reduction. I mean, that's one of the cool things about all of the Bugattis is they are really, really fast cars, but they're also, like, luxurious, right? And I guess you can just... There's enough stuff in there that you can remove 1,200 pounds worth of stuff. So we have race tire compound, drag tire compound. We're actually technically on sport tire compound, which is kind of crazy. So let's toss on the race one. We'll make it even faster. Bugatti Chiron is sitting on 285 stock. We're going to 315. Oh, it's trying to simulate our top speed up in the left-hand corner of the screen. It says 269 right now. 269.3. Oh, whoa. I was wondering why I was sliding around so much. 86% of the power in this thing goes to the back. Can we do more than 270 miles an hour now? One of the fastest cars currently in the world for... I guess it's not technically for sale, but... I mean, sort of, kinda. 266, 267. It definitely feels a tiny bit faster. 269... It's just being held there. Is it being held by gears or what? Yeah, so 270 miles an hour is the fastest this thing will do. I mean, unless you're one of those, like, top speed people and you'll get it up to, like, 272 or something like that. But yeah, DJ's like, it's being held by damn physics. I honestly don't understand a lot of the hate surrounding this car. I just feel like it's a hella fast, high horsepower car that's also built as something you could daily drive if you so chose to do so. And I really don't understand all the hate it gets. It's just like, it's just really fast. If it was me, I would have a Koenigsegg over one of these just because, I mean, Swedish power and I like Koenigsegg. But I don't understand people hating on this car. It doesn't make sense to me. So DJ, let's give these things a little bit of a run. See how they are able to do. Let's do 2 heats. So if we mess up, we can give it another shot. But I guess let's go to Dubai first. I mean, Dubai's pretty cool. I feel like people don't use it as much. Today I learned a Koenigsegg Regera, stats-wise, is much faster. Well, actually, wait. Wait, PI-wise is much higher. It has much higher handling. Oh, I see. I mean, this is going to be interesting. But yeah, DJ, we'll do 2 runs here. Hopefully, we don't mess up the starts too much. I mean, for me, it's not very difficult to mess it up. I just have to hold the gas because all-wheel drive life. And then we will head over to the proper drag strip and see what we can do. Holy shit, that looks cool. All right, I got to focus on my launch. What? It's not even close! It's not even close! 9.1 seconds? It's because you're all-wheel drive. Yeah, but electric. I mean, sort of electric. Funny gearboxes. Okay. That thing is fast. Or, well, not fast. My thing's fast. It's not even close. Who was saying that Top Gear did this and it was close? I haven't watched the new Top Gear season because hashtag Grand Tour for life. But okay, we'll chuck it on a mile. When Top Gear did this, they had the cars set up in different ways. The one Forza racer. Thank you, man. All right, let's keep going, boys. Come on, nail the start. The question is that thing going to hit VTEC? Or am I going to keep running? Oh, he's closing in. He's closing in. Look at that distance drop. Oh, those gear ratios. Oh, shit. Okay, so we beat him to the 50. Or we beat him to the 0.5 mile. But after that, he takes it. We lock in a 22.4. Man, he's fast. Anyways, shall we open this lobby up to everyone and go race around a couple of circuits and see what we can do? I think we should. I think that's a good idea. Anyways, let's race them, see what they can do. We got some other people out here. There's a Vulcan. There's a P1. We're gonna rip these guys on the straights. I think that was lag. The guy just turned straight into a wall. Let's see how these are at racing, though. I've already been... There is no grip. There is absolutely no grip. It doesn't help that I got punted from the rear. Really doesn't help that I got punted from the rear. But it's like, the grip on this is strange. I don't understand why the back end steps out so much. Like, I don't know if it's just me. Please don't punt me more. I don't know. Every time, man. Every time. This is such a bad car to race. It is, okay, here's the problem. This is completely stock. So the thing weighs 4,000 pounds. So it just doesn't want to slow down. Like, look, I try to slow down and it just doesn't do anything. And I mean, there's not much in the way of downforce either. That wing, although it looks epic as hell, isn't doing very much. I can be very honest there. It is still one hell of a car, but it's not a race car. No. Maybe we'll download a tune after this, and we can try that on race tires. And weight reduction, please. I mean, that's all we really need. Increase the brake pressure in the tuning menu. Even if I increase it, it's not going to stop it from, like, sliding out everywhere. It still slides out like crazy. Look, Fireprof Cargo. All the Chirons are having the same problem as me. Like, I use the braking line, right? Because, I mean, I just not good enough to not use it. It's like that braking line is just wrong for this car. It shoots you off the end. Yeah, you could turn this thing into one hell of a drift car. Look again! Like, look, I can drift it. It's a hella good drift car. I mean, power slide car. Don't offend the drift people. Like, we gotta get on the brakes so early and then it steps out. What are you doing? Yeah, we're gonna go do some upgrades to this. Primarily tires and weight reduction. And then we'll try this again on a different track. And hopefully it goes better than this. Like, as cool of a car as this is, no bueno. No bueno. It's definitely good to know, though, that I wasn't the only one who was having trouble. That was a sick drift. Who was having trouble controlling this thing. Like, it was just doing weird things, man. All right, so we're keeping it all-wheel drive. We're going to up the... Oh, no, not drag tires. Not drag tires. I want race tires, please. I'm going to leave the front tire with the where it is because it's already understeering like a bitch. Going out to 385 millimeters in the rear. Turn ABS off. I should probably turn ABS off as well. That would be a good thing. And weight reduction. Perfect. All right. So there we go. Upgrades are now fitted. So we have race tires and we weigh 1,200 pounds less, which is good. It looks so sick with all the cars next to each other, though. Like, look how cool that looks. All right, this time I'm also going to try to stay out of corner one shenanigans. So I'm going to just like, that's reverse gear. Oh, wow. We didn't have a usual Forza start to this race. I was expecting someone to end up basically like in the Netherlands. Please brake, though, going up here. There's that Veyron. There's the stock Veyron. Okay. Everyone just, there goes someone. It was a matter of time. It was going to happen, boys. Holy shit. The DRS on Wolves. That's the difference a couple horsepowers make. I locked up. Oh my god. Oh, people are everywhere. Sorry. I tried to save you, bro. I'm sorry. Why doesn't Bugatti sell it like this? So much better. All right, anyways, I'm in 4th place right now. I've got Mr. Wolf's bearing down on me in his stock Veyron. Okay, it still gets a shitload of understeer. But, I mean, we're probably not going to be able to get rid of that. But it doesn't, like, drift out anymore, which is good. There, yeah. Professional Forza racer goes past the amateur. Good. Oh, it's heavy. Like, it's only 3,100 pounds now. But it's still no nimble little race car, man. It still is a Veyron, the Chiron. I'm going to be saying that a lot. Oh, this is close. I'm keeping up with a professional Forza racer. This feels pretty good. I feel like he's got better active aero in that thing. Like, my wing is just definitely not as big as his. And it makes me feel a little bit self-conscious, I will be honest. Old versus new. Upgraded versus stock. Forza Pro versus me.
I see button colors are changed below video window.
Huh? Oh, yeah! I changed those. What do you think of them? I made them all galaxy color. Ah! No, 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 no! Alright, I'm blaming this race on whoever donated there. I don't know who you are, but it's your fault. Oh, Wolves, you're such a nice person. Wolves pulled over for me when he saw I spun. Alright, let's start the bearing down pressure again. If this thing had some better downforce, then yeah, sure. I mean, I keep comparing this thing to, like, I don't know, like a P1 GTR or like a Vulcan. Like actual race cars. This isn't a race car. It wasn't designed to be a race car. I shouldn't be comparing it to those. It's just really fast, okay? That's all you need to know. And I mean, it's kind of hard to drive and go around corners. But other than that, it's pretty fun. I definitely got the pull on him down the straight. Feels good. If we can nail it up Eau Rouge, I think we'll be good. I don't actually know which one of our cars is faster through the corners. Tried to stay moderately on the track there. Yeah, I'm definitely faster in a straight line. Like, you can see that distance I pull along the straights is kind of crazy. Got on the brakes way too early there, and Wolf's got super close. Super, super close. Oh, he's bumped the wall. I don't know what you guys are saying that you find them ugly from the rear. I find it, like, super futuristic looking. I will say I wish they would have done something cooler with the exhaust other than just making them big lumps. But other than that, I like the rear. It looks futuristic. Ah, no, I'm wiggly. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Tempting Toast 23. I like your name, man. Oh, this is scary. Oh, there goes another Chiron. They just push Wolves away. Oh, no, Wolves is going through there. What? What a move. Oh, no, I was in the wrong gear. That was a good fight, though. Look at DJ. I beat DJ. I mean, he wasn't a stock one, but I'd like to hear DJ's thoughts on the car. Like, DJ, were you having the same problems as me? Like, with just, like, the back end being annoying? Wolf says, like, sorry for the bums. My Veyron tried to kill me. Oh, DJ says it was a bit drifty, but I was getting hit. Yeah, it's just, it's an awesome car. It's just very, very difficult to drive around. At least I thought that. I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say.